In this video, I'll show you how to get all the free items available in Roblox to customize your avatar without spending any Robux. There are actually hundreds of free items available right now, so let's grab them. First, log into Roblox and click on Marketplace. This is the key step. On the top bar, look for the price filter. Click on it and select minimum 0 and maximum 0. From the drop down menu, then tap Apply. This will show you all the items that are free. You can filter by different categories like accessories, clothing, hair, faces, and gear to find specific types of free items. Simply click on any free item you like, then click Buy, then tap Get Now to add it to your inventory. You can then wear it by clicking Customize. Also, you can sort by recently published to find new free items first and check back regularly since free items are added frequently. You can also go to roblox.com/promo codes and enter working promo codes for exclusive free items that aren't available in the regular catalog. Search for catalog avatar creator in games. This popular game offers exclusive free items through in-game codes. And that's how you get hundreds of free items for your Roblox avatar.